Hey guys, my name is Mona. I love John Rennie High School because of the programs they offer to their students. Clubs are accessible for everybody to join, and sports are a great way to get involved. I am a part of the Actor Studio program, taught by Mr. T, and basically we put on a play for the school and our parents. This program is offered only for Cycle 2 students, grade 9s, 10s, and 11s. However, it is a great way to showcase your talents and get to know different personalities.
So I decided to come to John Rennie because of the Spa and Sid program. I'm a soccer player, so coming here allows me to balance my school life and my sports.
I chose John Rennie because I was really interested in the differences of the Academic Plus program and what it had to offer for Cycle 1 students.
I chose John Rennie because as soon as I came in for the open house, everything, I saw myself coming in here, being a student at John Rennie and doing my whole entire high school here.
I feel welcome at John Rennie because I'm not judged, and coming from a small private school to a big mainstream high school was a big transition for me. And I have a hearing loss, and I don't feel judged at all being at John Rennie, and I feel very happy and welcome here every day. I don't feel judged at all, and I feel happy with who I am every day.
One word that I would definitely not use to describe John Rennie is boring. There's so many different activities you can do, especially the intramurals that are hosted at lunch by sports leadership classes, or the games you can play at lunch that are hosted by the leadership classes. They're so fun, and they're just there for the Cycle 1 kids, which is super exciting and super good, especially because they're young and they might not know their way around the school yet, and they might not know what they're gonna wanna do.
I like coming to John Rennie because of the vibe that was created here by both the teachers and the staff. It's a safe community that I don't think any other school has.
I am in the Resource Department's Life Skills program. So it is a program that they offer at John Rennie High School, where they teach kids certain life skills like doing the laundry, recycling, and also there is a work study program that can happen either inside of school or outside. My favorite class at John Rennie High School is the leadership class. It is because I get to make new friends and socialize with them and do activities with them.
Well, I went to a lot of open houses for when I was in grade 6, and John Rennie just had a really unique atmosphere. I really loved how, the people sort of embraced us as we came in those doors, and the leadership groups and all that. And, I was considering other places. I live really far away, so it was a big decision to make. But ultimately, the really great atmosphere and the teachers who felt like they would actually care about you, combined with the program that I was actually interested in, being the Academic Plus program, really swayed me.
Being in Spa and Sid, it's very competitive, so we have to have good grades to stay in the program. So it pushes us to do better in school so we can go to our sports.
I like my friends, my teachers, my classes. I like learning new things.
Big advice I would give as if you're coming into John Rennie with a hearing impairment, I would tell them that do not be stressed. It's really not that bad. Just don't be stressed, and just remember that if you advocate for yourself, it's really gonna be okay. And self-advocacy is a great thing to have because that's what you really need in high school to push yourself through and get where you are in a happy place.